Let's learn how to create the pixel stretch effect in Affinity. First, open the image you want to work on. Once it's open, you'll notice that Affinity usually opens in whichever persona you used last. For example, if you were working with vectors, the vector persona will be selected. For this effect, switch to the pixel persona from the top. Next, we need to select our subject. You can either use the Object Selection tool or the Selection Brush tool. I'll use the Selection Brush tool to quickly select the object. Once your object is selected, press Ctrl+J to duplicate just the selected area onto a new layer. After that, press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. Now select the newly created layer and choose the Rectangular Marquee tool. If you can't find it in the toolbar, click the three dots at the bottom of the toolbar and search for the tool there. Select Rectangular Marquee tool once it appears. Now create the selection that will become your pixel stretch. You can use a rectangular, elliptical, horizontal, or vertical selection, whatever suits your design. I'll use a vertical rectangular selection. Click and drag to create the selection. With the selection active, press Ctrl+J again to duplicate it onto another new layer. Then press Ctrl+D to deselect. Select the Move tool by pressing V, then hold Shift while dragging the duplicated strip to stretch it. Make it as long or as large as you like. Before moving on, drag this stretched layer below the main object layer so it sits behind your subject. Now it's time to shape the effect. Use the Mesh Warp tool to distort the stretched pixels. Drag the handles to create curves and adjust the flow however you like. Feel free to experiment. The shape is completely up to you, and that's what makes this effect so fun. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.